Hello everyone. Today we will learn about how to create attribute table using ArcMap. So first of all, go to layer, then right click on the polygon layer, then click on open attribute table. Then first of all, we will start our session from how to add a field in attribute table. So to add a field in attribute table, first of all, uh, just right click on the layer and then open attribute table. Then click on the upper left, this upper left tab. There are many options. So our task is how to add field to the attribute table. So just click on the add field, and here we get a dialog box. Add field, here name. We uh, we uh, give the name as a name, and then type. Type may be a text, then here length, and then OK. So in this way, we can create any field in our attribute table. So because this field is for this attribute table is for polygon feature, so I want to add another field. So just click on the add field again, and then name it as area. Then type, select appropriate type. This is double, then OK. So in this way, we can create uh, attribute information by just clicking on the add field tab. So similarly, we can create our attribute information for polyline feature also. So just click on the polyline layer and add attribute table. Then click on this tab, then click on add field, and then here we can create a field named as name. Then type must be a text, then OK. Because here we are working with polyline feature, so I want to add another field also. Just go to add field and then name it as length. Length must be in double, then OK. So in this way we can create attributable for polyline feature also. And similarly we can create attributable for point also by just right clicking on the layer, then open attributable, then go to this tab and add field and name it as name. Just click on text, then OK. Right. So our next step is how to edit attribute information in the attribute table. So to first of all, go to the polygon feature layer, right click, and then open attribute table for polygon feature. So here two fields are appeared. First one is name and second one is area. These are two new fields which we have added. So first of all, give the name. So to add it here, the edit session includes first one is how to add attribute table, and second one is how to delete attribute table. So if we want to delete any attribute field, then just right click on the field just like this, and then go to delete field. Delete field. So using this delete field option, we can delete any field from our attribute table. And next one is how to edit attribute table. So here the name field is totally blank, and as well as the area field is also blank. So we can here in this field we can name the features just by identifying the feature. So to identify the feature, just double click on the row. This will highlight the feature associated with this attribute table. As this feature indicates open scrub. So we can give the name uh, mm, of this polygon as open scrub. So just double click on this and then give the name. Here one point to be remember that we before editing any session we must start editing. So go to editor and then start editing. Just by clicking on the double click on the row, this will indicate the uh, polygon feature associated with this attribute. Now click on the name, just double click and we can name it as open scrub, right? And in this way we can name it from here as it is a settlement area. So we can give it name as settlement. Third one is, as this is a river, so we can name it as river, right? So in this way we can edit attribute information for the name field. Next one is how to edit how to calculate area of the polygon. So to calculate area of any polygon feature, just right click on the field and then here calculate geometry. Here this option is calculate geometry. So click on the calculate geometry and then here property as already mentioned area, and then go to here area. The units of area is visible. So if we want to calculate area in square meter, we can select square meter. If we want to calculate area in hectare, we can select hectare also. So I select this square meter and then okay. So in this way we can calculate area for polygon feature. So next step is how to, if we want to hide any column from the attribute table, we can just click on the field which we want to hide and just right click on the field and then go to turn field off. So in this way we can hide the attribute the field in our attribute table. If we want to show it again, just click on this tab and go to turn on field all field on. So in this way we can hide any field or we can show any field in our attribute table. So this in this way we can edit any attribute table for polygon feature. So next one is here two options are available. First one is show all records and show selected records. If we select any row, then it will be automatically appear in this window, just like show selected features. So it will show only the selected features, right? So next step is how to clear the selection by just click on this tab clear selection, and here one tab is also, that is switch selection. So what is switch selection? By just clicking on this tab we can select any feature, just like if I want to select settlement and river. If there are many a large number of records are here, so if we want to select a few records from a large number of records, just click on the uh, any row. But if we want to select a large records on the basis of some special criteria, so just click on the field, click on the row which we don't want to select, and then click on this switch selection. It will switch our selection, just like click this, and then the feature which we want to select will be appeared in switch selection, right? So just clear selection, and then